I'm not so young as some cost over good demo. I can see then some of the brilla, yes, a fata salty, na yachini kufu de ebrewoino. And oneexpert.com, that is Yakon Consa, that is some of the bro. Oneexpert.com or better, oneexpert.com, and of course, Setimo Gel and Roll on is in Suna Chassis air to talk. To one Sasa Brocan who say, Obient to be no fear, but I Setimo Gel and Roll on, and Jivas Mesha, Mojina nice so. Jina nice so bemo. Jina so bemo. Yes, Jivas Mesha, Channel Sosa, F.I. Now, Yamakwaba, Sergio Manucho, and the producer, Kijuan Kasani, Erica Sidubwedi. I was my Yenshen 7 Symphony, the UEFA Europa League final. Besi omo ye Europa League mu Real Madrid no ma jache omo du onko ade ambeje and how much me age ne dodo e de achen obi a we see answer so me oneexpert.com kan hona e dey somebody here bro yen copy mu the Ghana Football Association president ra ketie sekrekun samo de to dwa wonim say bosumi a ya bo e de remu no no aye the under 23 AFCON e say Ghana it's me called my coach Ibrahim Tanko and the Black Meteors qualifier. I hear say be copy Morocco. Na no na keto krekodi nsamo to dwa. So be de ombetimi bia e da chitai ne de team ne hia bia momo se na bia ombetimi akote Ghana nim.
I think that we all know the last time we appeared at the Olympic Games. In the year 2019, we almost made it. Unfortunately, we lost out at the last line. But I think that generally we have a very, very promising squad. We have a very good technical team. The draw for the group games have been made public, so we know who our opponents are. And I think that the technical team have been working behind the scenes to ensure that we have a very, very competitive team. Indeed, we have a competitive team. And I believe that with the right levels of support from the Football Association and from government via the Ministry of Youth and Sports, Ghana will be represented by warriors who play their hearts off to ensure that we gain qualification to be part of it.
Right now, the Ghana Football Association president now watching in Semuse Badwam na 23 na atumi akoti Ghana the Black Princesses of Ghana as you see there your name Nigeria na be show the Wafu Zone B girls and a 20 tournament anymore and Ghana win here Nigeria so we need to find an asset yemwe Sami Ashinimo
quickly taken by Badwam for Burkina Faso with a follow-up been nicely done by Kabori, and there they try to find their first infiltration into the half of Ghana, and there they get the first goal. Burkina Faso on target in less than 5 minutes, and who else? Florentine gets the first goal for Burkina Faso in less than 5 minutes. That was the first precise and incisive attack that the Burkinabés have made. This is how it all started, right from their main player, Naomi Adali Kabri, their top scorer, who managed to find Angie Kelly, who set up on the other hand. Florentine, who Stelania Miche takes the free kick. Good save, but there it is. Ghana with the equalizer. Stelania Miche, the captain, coming to the rescue of Ghana. Game on, 1-1, runs into the arms of her coach, Yusuf Bazigi. She knew that this is a huge responsibility for her. And Fauzi Auti once again fumbles, fails to gather at once. And she knows that she has indeed let her team down. But don't take anything away from this. Well taken. Wasma sent it back. And Alimata once again to the rescue before Naomi Adele. A strike on target for Ghana. Out of nothing. Success Amia. This is a player that has this unique and exceptional trademark, scoring from such long range. And there she has done it for Ghana's Black Princesses. Ghana takes the lead.
And then they can relax for the rest of the entire minute.
Ghana with a chance to extend, and they do. Ghana 3, Burkina Faso 1. Faiza Seidu finally on the score.
Right, and so I copy more Ghana came and no Yasha Nigeria the Bepim so in that final. Yeah, the one time I bro what shade. I'm on copy more boxing more former Ghanaian boxer Joshua Clotten and then some more to draft. That's a boxing league, the Ghana Boxing Authority at the Abe Bomuno, I had the papa, but whom baby are now won't be renewing in the Adiamofa and on any that bank I had the pa.
And you say you introduce a boxing league. Boxing league also by the Ghana Boxing Authority. Would you say sad na ya introduce na a bit me to produce more champions the Mayana?
Well, that boxing league no, say because one reason boxers no omenya active fighting maybe couple of months they fighting active in boxing no my boxers no who rusty. But one thing about that boxing league no na me what problem was sometimes no most of the boxers no mo kuno okay. Sometimes no the last time no na me coach boxing league no it was very fantastic because guys no mo kuno that bout no mean lie.
Okay.
But sometimes no they start no now most of the boxers that they don't know anything about boxing.
Joshua, you kobo kama we share a friend saying some baby are working. Usha Ghana boxing our future. Do we have a future?
For now, to tell you the truth, no.
Wow.
Because the amateur fighters no. Onu na your future.
Okay.
Omuko Commonwealth Games. Omu winning medals. Omu aba. Omu ako World Championship. One guy no winning silver. One losing the first fight. Ever games. But a problem because government no want to sponsor
Right, yeah, more quite about him, man. No, yeah, Joshua Clotte at the Eto Edra, Sedimon Gel and Roll-On. I'm okay when I some idea, bro. Pin Biaba Sedimon Gel and Roll-On, oneexpert.com. I'm also, baby, I have a bet, yes, I'll call oneexpert.com. And of course, Jifas Mesh and Mojanas obey mo, and Mojanas say obey memo. Yes, sir. Sajo Manuchu, I'm a producer. And of course, image where share matter, you call Instagram and share image where GH. Now sort out man me entade na o de be ma kama na bibia timi akoy kai say o de nan kasa be ka keju ane ho Erica Siedu body ne ko so ahwe bedwam